हो गया ना 2 मिनट यही मुझे था ये इतनी इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते
I'm just getting a project. Oh, this one's gonna take forever to close too.
Bro, I swear to God, piss me off.
Oh!
Bro, I swear to God, I'm about to crash out. I swear I'm about to crash out for a second. This shit is outrageous. And it took 10 minutes to get upstairs.
If we even make it.
Bro, I was finna, what? I thought it was gonna stop on 3. I was finna crash out.
Y'all have a good one.
You too, my man.
Oh, it's going up.
Nope.
Sorry.
It's okay.
This might be busy. Whoa, holy shit. Oh my God. I actually thought I was stuck there for a second, no joke. Oh my God. Yeah, definitely see why these are getting hold on. No. What the hell? What? Oh, what? I gotta use this one. The bell doesn't work. Dude, these things are messed up. This is gonna be a fun video. All right, here we go. Let's go to basement. Sorry. Oh my God. Dude, this thing's janky. Whoa, these run weird, dude.
No, I got in prison a couple times.
These are strange.
He's in Fox River Grove. I know he's in Spono. My other kid, Tim, he's working in Tanzania. And my Wokie guy is,
You might have to wait here a second.
because he's been out for 2 weeks.
I might have to pause. We got this one again. Let's take this up to the lobby. We're gonna switch cars. Now check out this panel. This thing is really awesome. If these are getting modded, I might try to get this panel and talk to the mechanics, because this is cool. These run weird. Yeah, these are wacky. This one's sitting on one. This one's got the same cab. These are, I don't know exactly what year, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, no, these are definitely 80s though. Just not exactly sure which year in the 80s these were installed. Oh yeah, this one has a ridiculous door timer. When those guys were talking earlier about hoping the elevator doesn't stay open again, they were saying that because this one just sat open for ages. We might have the same problem here. It like closed after a bit, but let's see here. Oh, there we go. This one runs way better. It's in Rolling Meadows. This is 3501 Algonquin Road. It's at Crossroads 3. Stopping on 3.
One person. Oh, then.
Hi.
Oh, sorry.
You're good.
These elevators are slow. I
Yeah.
know.
It's just for a project.
Oh, okay. Hopefully, it's been like a year. We're gonna fix them. We're gonna fix them. No, you're not.
Looks like they're starting to put the new ones in.
Yeah. I could see the dial. That was good.
Okay.
What's that one? Oh, I got a good shot of this going. That's awesome. Anyway, that's it.